Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In today's session, we are going to explain how to see all the running containers and stopped containers information using Podman commands. For the setup part, if you didn't see Podman, so you can watch my previous videos or you can go to playlist section of the Podman and see all the videos related to the Podman. So So for checking the stop container and running container information, you need to open CMD. So I'm going to pressing Windows plus R button from the keyboards of the system, and here you need to type CMD. Then you will see one CMD commands will open in your screen. In here I'm just cleaning this screen, and you can check Podman status by using Podman machine ls. These commands basically used for checking all the available machine in the Podman. So right now you can see only one machine is there, and that status is running. You can see in my screen. So if you want to check available all the images, so you can use Podman images command. So you can see these are the images which are present in my local Podman machines. And if you want to check Podman running container, so you need to use Podman ps command. ps command, if you enter this command, you will see there is no running container you can see right now. So if you want to check the stopped and running container both, then you need to use Podman ps-a. Then you will see all the running and stopped container information in here. This is the this is the command which you can use for checking all the running containers and stopped containers information. Right now you can see this container is not running and it is exited 2 months ago, you can see. So we can also restart this container by using Podman restart, and we need to pass container ID. So I'm just passing this on. Now you can see Podman PS. Now you can see it is running. You can see the status in here. And if I using Podman PS-A, then you can see it is also see in here as well. So Podman ps-a command will see all the running and stopped containers, and Podman ps you can see only running containers information. So in today's video I explain how to check stopped and running container information. In upcoming video I will explain other information related to Podman commands. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, so you can subscribe my channel, then you can get the further update. Thank you.